Hello friends, I am Basit Mohammed and you are watching my channel English Language and Literature. Today I am going to talk about assonance, consonance and alliteration. Why? Because all these devices are comparable with each other. In this lecture I will be telling you the similarities and dissimilarities between these literary devices. So let me begin with assonance now. So for the definitions of assonance, consonance and alliteration, I have referred the dictionary of Cadence, J.A. Cadence, a dictionary of literary terms and literary theory. So Cadence defines assonance as sometimes it is called vocalic rhyme. It consists of the repetition of similar vowel sounds, usually close together to achieve a particular effect of euphony. So you might have understood euphony. Eu means same and phone means sound. So, what is the function of assonance? That it gives us a same sound, a same sound. So, I have put here example also uh, from William Wordsworth's Daffodils. So, if you closely read this stanza, you will be feeling that there is a repetition of vowel sound like I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. So you see, I wandered lonely that floats on high o'er a host, gold, daffodils, beneath trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. So in first line, you see there is a sound O, the vowel sound O. In the second line, there is sound also O that floats on high o'er. So oh, it creates a kind of euphony. It gives the effect of one sound. Host, gold, daffodils, oh, oh, oh. So there is a repetition of different vowel sounds. Different vowel sounds, same vowel sounds, same vowel sounds, but different in different lines. Like here in the beginning lines, we have O, the repetition of O sound. But as we go down, we also see the repetition of E sound, E sound. Beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. So hope you got the point. Now let us discuss now consonants. So the difference between consonance and alliteration is that in assonance we had repetition of vowel sounds within the words, and in consonance we have repetition of consonant sounds within the words. As you can see from the name itself that it suggests consonant. It has been taken from consonant, consonance. So, the close repetition of identical consonant sounds before and after different vowels. For example, slip, slope, creak, croak, black, block. So, in slip, slope, there's a repetition of S sound in the beginning, and there is the repetition of P sound at the end of the word. So, in creak, in croak, There is a repetition of k sound at the beginning, and there is also repetition of k sound at the end. And there is also repetition of sound, creak, croak, blake, block. There is a repetition of b sound at the beginning and k sound at the end. So let us see example from literature point of view. So 'twas later when the summer went, then when the cricket came, and yet we knew that gentle clock meant naught but going home. 'Twas sooner when the cricket went than when the winter came. Yet that pathetic pendulum keeps historic time. It can be seen from these lines that Emily Dickinson has made use of the consonant mm frequently in the italicized words. Came, home, time. Came, home, came, time. So there is repetition of sound. Emily Dickinson is using sound frequently in the above stanza. So let's continue our discussion and let's move on to alliteration. So alliteration and consonance are much similar to each other because in consonance there is repetition of consonant sound and in alliteration there is also repetition of consonant sound. But what is the difference here? I will tell you that in assonance we repeat the consonant sound within the words, but in alliteration we use the same sound or the same consonant sound at the beginning of the words. So uh, let us see example here. I'm going direct to the example because the definition is very simple. The repetition of consonant sound at the beginning of each word is called alliteration. Um, so I have put here example from Samuel Taylor Coleridge's The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, a very famous ballad. So just read this stanza. The fair breeze blew, the white foam flew, the furrow followed free. We were the first that ever burst into that silent sea. You see, in the first line, there is a repetition of B sound at the beginning of breeze and blue. So the fair breeze blew. Again, we have F sound. We have F consonant sound at the beginning of foam and flew. The white foam flew. The furrow followed free. And at the last line, you can see that silent sea. Into that silent sea. So now you can make differentiation between alliteration and consonants. What is the difference? That in alliteration, there is repetition of consonant sound at the beginning of the words, but in consonants, we have repetition of consonant sounds within the words. That is all for today's lecture, and I'm pretty sure that you have got the point. So see you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.